Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the concept of stress, health and safety. What do you mean by the stress? By the dictionary meaning, stress is nothing but great worry caused by difficult situations or something causes for this difficult situation. Stress may be due to the personal matters or the professional. Today in this lecture we are concentrating only on the professional stress. When we say particular employee working on a project, it means that he is responsible to overcome the obstacles and achieve the objective of the project and hence make that project as a successful project. While taking the different activity in view of project completion, project manager and team members may work under pressure. Beyond certain level of pressure, quality of the work decreases. The reason is obviously stress. It also affect on the health of the individuals. Research says that if any individual works more than 40 hours per week, then the productivity and quality of the output goes down. When the project is going on, organization and team leader expected that workers or the team members have to work beyond the working hours, that is, go for the overtime without additional payment. As a responsible team member, he spontaneously realizes the emergency situation and put an extra effort to overcome some temporary obstacles or the difficult to deal with this emergency situation. But if the overtime becomes the way of life, then there will be longer term problems and hence the individual may go under stress. In this situation, due to the stress, the fall in a productivity have arise. So this fall in a productivity is more compensatory have to accept, and it can be compensated effectively if you are giving the freedom of a work towards the individuals. Stress can also be caused when staff does not have the clear idea of the objectives that their work is supposed to be fulfilling. Also, if they are unknown about the scope of their responsibilities or what they are expecting from the others or others are expecting from them, then this can also may given the cause of an stress. If there is a large frequency of change in a role, that is, a role conflicts can be going continuously, then it also increases the stress. In all these situations, person may feel the stress because he or she is in a dilemma for fulfilling the demands of two different roles. Now we are going to see some of the possible ways to reduce the stress. Organization can try to reduce the stress level by doing good project management so that team does not have to face the overtimes. This may be a one way to minimize the stress level of the individuals. Organizations or the team leaders have to consider the efforts of a team members genuinely, and they can be considered the assessment of all these kind of the efforts. Also, more time required for the project activity. The team leader have to maintain the recording of all the efforts taken out by the team very carefully and also do the genuine analysis of performance of the individuals, which also becomes a key of motivation and hence it acts as a stress buster. But in some cases this ideal way is not implementing. He is the team leader can apply unprofessional strategies that are called as tactics. But this is antithesis of the professional project management